In this video, I'll show you how you can change the update settings on every Steam game separately. Now, first of all, once you're on the Steam, you can select the game that you want to do it on. I'll just choose a random one. So let's say this one. Now, if you right click on this and you go to the properties, choose on updates. And from in here, you'll be able to see the automatic updates and background downloads. Now from automatic updates, you have three different things. You can do always keep it updated, only update game when I launch it, or high priority, which means that it will auto update before the other things. You also have the background downloads, and you can choose which one you want, pause when you're playing, allow always, or never allow them. Now, when you do this, this will only be for this game. And if you select another one and you do the same, obviously it will have different options. So just choose however you want, and that's basically how you can do it, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.